Introducing the Bissell SteamShot Hard Surface Steam Cleaner, your ultimate solution to achieve pristine cleanliness effortlessly. Tired of battling stubborn dirt, grease, and grime? Say goodbye to traditional cleaning methods and embrace the power of Steam. Engineered with natural sanitization capabilities, this innovative cleaner ensures a hygienic environment without harsh chemicals. Equipped with multi-surface tools, the Bissell SteamShot tackles various surfaces with ease, from kitchen countertops to bathroom tiles, leaving them spotless and germ-free. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it convenient to maneuver under your home or office, reaching even the tightest corners. Gone are the days of scrubbing endlessly. Harness the power of steam to simplify your cleaning routine. Whether it's removing tough stains or refreshing upholstery, the Bissell SteamShot gets the job done efficiently and effectively. Elevate your cleaning experience and enjoy a healthier living space with the Bissell SteamShot Hard Surface Steam Cleaner, your trusted partner in cleanliness.